Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. This one, we're in ChatLLM Teams. Today, I'm going to show you how to create all of those cool Ghibli-style AI images, and I'm going to show you how to animate it. And we're going to do it with no technical skills. It's a piece of cake. I'm going to walk you through it. We're going to use two programs, and it just takes a few seconds. Let's take a look. All right, so here we are. We're inside ChatLLM Teams, and again, we're going to be using two programs. Now, really quickly here, every video that you saw in the Ghibli style, we created in ChatLLM Teams. It's that good. And why is it that good? Well, let me show you real quickly here one quick thing. If I go to More and I go to Video Gen, check this out. You can create animated videos in the Ghibli style in not one, but 7 different AI video models or AI generators. Hailuo, Luma Labs, Runway ML, Honyan Video, Wan 2.1, Kling VO2, all the best are in here, and I'm going to show them to you. That said, the first thing we got to do is we're going to go to ChatGPT here. You already see here that I'm logged in, and I've been messing around creating some Studio Ghibli stuff. What you want to do is you want to click on ChatGPT-4o and make sure that 4o is selected. As of March 27, 2025, this is only compatible in 4o, and at the moment, it only works for the Pro and the top tier paid tiers. If you have a free account, it should be available in the upcoming days. So depending on when you watch this, you may or may not see this. That said, we're in 4o. Now let's go ahead and create an image, and then we're going to take it into ChatLLM and animate it. All right, so step one is a very easy one, and it's very quick. Here we go. Let me show you. Make sure that ChatGPT-4o is selected. Then, very importantly, click on these 3 dots here, and it says View Tools. Select Create Image. Updated. This is the new updated image gen that they just cooked up, and it is just tearing up the leaderboards. Here we go. I'm going to go into my Finder. If you're on a PC, you may want to go into your Explorer, grab an image. In this case, we're going to work with memes, because why not? Let's have some fun here. So I'm just going to drag and drop in my image, and of course, we've got that, funny meme where the guy's looking at the girl and the other girl's looking at him. So here we go. We're going to go create a Studio Ghibli style. That's it. You can put this in any way you want. Make it Studio Ghibli. You could just probably type in Studio Ghibli. It will work. I'm going to hit the go button here. Now, it does take a few seconds here, and you can see the image that we're working with. It's the old traditional meme. So here we go. It's getting started. I'm going to come back when it's done, show you what we got, and then we're going to do the transfer. All right, welcome back. So here we go, and it went and cooked, and boy, did it do a good job. Here we go. Here's the original image, as you all probably aware. And then let's take a look at what we got in the Studio Ghibli style. I like it. I'm going to click on this little download button or the save button. I've saved it. Now let's transfer it to the ChatLLM, and I'm going to show you how to animate this in 7 different ways. This is absolutely amazing. Let's go. All right, so here we are. We're logged into ChatLLM Teams, and it's time to cook. The first thing you'll notice here is up at the top here that you can click on that little down triangle, and you get access to all of these large language models. You get access to their AI engineer, where you can create chatbots and all sorts of cool things. There's so many things here that you can do. But for this tutorial, we're going to do video. So I'm going to go here into their toolbar, click on More, and then I'm going to click on Video Gen. When you do that, check this out. This is absolutely crazy that you get this. You get access to not 1, but 7 of the best state-of-the-art AI video models or AI video generators, labs, whatever you want to call it. Hailuo AI, Luma Labs, Runway ML, Honyan Video, Wan 2.1, Kling AI version 1.6, and VO2. All of them are here, and you can create animations with anyone that you want. So we got to start somewhere. So I am going to start off with Luma Labs, because I think they do a really, really good job, but I'm going to show you a whole bunch of them. So here we go. We're in the video generation. The next thing is a prompt. Now we're going to be using an image as a reference image or a starting image. So I'm just going to type in Studio Ghibli style 3 people talking. I mean, the prompt isn't the most important part. It's actually the image in this case. So there we go. We've just got that little bit of a description, and you could probably do a better job than that, but I'm just going to go nice and quickly here. So we've got ourselves a prompt here. Now you can modify the input prompt for improved video generation results. You would normally want to do this, but when you're using a reference image, I tend to keep this off. Aspect ratio is self-explanatory, but if you're creating a TikTok or something like that, you might want to use 9:16. If you're creating YouTube videos, 16:9, 1:1 for an Instagram, for example. For this one, we're going to go with 16:9, and then here we go. You'll see this here. It says start frame an end frame. This is the very, very important part. So here we go, start frame. I'm gonna go into my Finder. If you're on a PC, go into your Explorer. I've got an image here called Final. Watch this. I'm just going to drag and drop that in here. And then, well, for those of you that want to see what it looks like, it's just this image here. There we go. We've got this cool Studio Ghibli style image. There we go. Now, for those of you that have that want to do an animation between one frame and another frame, and there's this Lord of the Rings video going on right now that uses exactly that technique, you can go ahead and put in an end frame. But for this one, I'm just going to go ahead with a start frame. Watch this. I'm going to click on generate. It's going to go ahead and use that image. It's going to create the animation. When it's done, I'm going to come back, show you what we got, and then I'm going to show you a few other cool techniques while I got you. All right, welcome back. So here is the first crack at it. Let's move it back here. I'm going to go ahead and blow it up here, and you can already see, look at that first frame. That's exactly what we wanted. Let's hit play. Let's see what we got. Oops. Here we go. Oh, okay, he's turning around. This girl over here's got some strange face on her, but you know what? There you go. That was one very quick example, but we have 6 more AI generators, AI video things that we can use. Let's take a look at another one while I got you. All right, so let's go ahead and create a new chat here. I'm gonna go up here to the top, click on that new chat button here, and we are now cooking from scratch. I'm gonna close that sidebar there. Toolbar, I guess you might call it. Here we go. I'm going to click on more. I'm going to click on video gen. And this time we've got a couple of other AI video labs or AI models that we can use. Kling AI is one that I wouldn't mind trying out. Let's try out, actually, you know what? Let's do Kling. Why not? Kling is very, very good. Here we go. And it's got a few other features that I can show you here. You'll see here we can select our mode. There's standard and there's pro mode. I guess Kling has a few other things that the other models don't have, and they're a little different. You'll see here we can use a start frame again. So to keep things consistent, I'm going to use the same starting frame here. There we go. I'm just going to drag and drop that in right there. And I mean, it's really that easy. Studio Ghibli style. Oh, I added an either style. There we go. You don't even have to really say what they're going to do because the image really does matter. But if you want to, Studio Ghibli style, 3 people laughing and smiling, something like that. Just have some fun. Now here we've got a few other things. You'll see CFG scale. That's essentially how strict you want to stick onto the prompt. So I'm going to actually reduce this. And the reason why I'm doing that is, consider it temperature for you AI and machine learning types, is because you just kind of want to use the image as opposed to the prompt. The image is what we're using to drive this. And now aspect ratio, of course. Let's go with 16:9. Let's go duration. Now this one I should note, you can do a 10-second video, which is absolutely wild. We're going to do 5 seconds because it's easier to, it doesn't take as long to load, but you can do up to 10-second videos at a time. Click on generate. I'm going to come back when this is done, show you what we got, and then we're going to wrap it all up. All right, welcome back. So let's see what Kling version 1.6 gave us. I'm going to hit play here. Let's go and increase the size here. Okay, they're smiling and they're chatting and laughing. It's animated. It's kind of funny. I like it, guys. It's pretty darn cool. Okay, one, then second, then third person. And it even has a bit of a weird anime-ish type look. That's super cool, guys. And again, we did this in seconds. It's literally one click. ChatLLM Teams has everything you can imagine in it. It's got AI image generation, video generation, all the large language models. You name it. If this is your thing, you want to create Studio Ghibli style videos, you want to create meme videos, you name it, you can do it, guys. Links in the description below. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.